If Lightroom is giving you an import error and your photos won't import, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the quickest fixes that solve the problem for most people in just a few minutes. Whether your files are not supported, the folder is blocked, or Lightroom is struggling with the source location, these steps can help you get back to importing normally. And before we begin, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Lightroom tutorials. First, check the file format. Lightroom Desktop supports common formats like JPG, PNG, and RAW files, but if you're trying to import HEIC photos or another unsupported format, that can trigger an error. If that's the case, convert those files to JPG first and try again. Next, check the source location. If your photos are coming directly from a phone or an SD card, Lightroom can sometimes have trouble reading them properly. A much better method is to copy the files to your desktop or your C drive first, and then import them from there. This small step fixes a lot of import issues because it gives Lightroom a stable local path to work with. Now, let's look at folder permissions. Right-click the folder that contains your photos, choose Properties, then open the Security tab. Make sure your user account has full control. If Lightroom can't access the folder because of restricted permissions, it may fail during import, even if the photos themselves are fine. Another common fix is renaming your files. If your photo names are very long or include special characters, Lightroom may have trouble processing them. Keep the file names simple, short, and clean, then try the import again. If you're still having issues, update Lightroom through Adobe Creative Cloud. Open Creative Cloud, check for updates, and install the latest version. Import bugs are often fixed in newer releases, so this is always worth doing. Also, when you import, choose Add instead of Copy if possible. This is an important fix because Add keeps the original files in place and can prevent path-related errors, especially when Lightroom is having trouble with a transfer location. Finally, clear the cache. In Lightroom, go to Edit, then Preferences, then Performance, and purge the camera raw cache. A corrupted cache can cause weird import problems, and clearing it often gives Lightroom a fresh start. Once you've done these steps, try importing your photos again. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the Lightroom Desktop import error and get your workflow back to normal. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Lightroom troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.